real nigga. You still lame, I won't deal with you. Make music for the real nigga. Our money need no hill figure. At Donald Trump, I won't hit figures. Z28, put a kid in him. Rich homie, no bitch in him. I been diagnosed, race spit venom. You need bifocals, just to see in it. 10 dog and we smoke that. I told my girlfriend that I'ma see you winning. P snitching, you'll never see me with him. Cause I trip him like a motherfucking flea flip. But I'm riding these niggas no skinny. And I'm killing these niggas no bullet. But my wrist on free like a ball head. In the winter time with no scully. I'm handicapped, I need crutches. I'm leaning. Grab a box and I'm touching. Cause we gon' when I'm on that serve, they can't understand a thing I say. I smoke a blunt every day to take the pain away. I need to see a doctor fast and I hate to say that nobody ain't give me shit I had to make away.
There you go.
My niggas, my crew, I don't know about you and the shit I went through. I refuse to go through. Hey, to get where I'm at, it took sacrifices. And it ain't worth having if you don't sacrifice it. I'm at the top, they at the bottom, well begin to slay. A sacrifice for my family, I take any day. I go to court on him
Make it faster.
just to see her face. She killed my partner, cold blood on that December day. And this is where I stay, and it don't need renovation. I think I'm going crazy, like I'm in a patient. Get that hoe an Oscar, she stay at crazy. And I'm feeling myself like a straight jacket, baby. Got these hundreds on me. I don't know we wanna touch. All these bitches on me. I don't know we wanna fuck. Choose about another four. I can't identify my cup. And I'm arthritis. When I'm on that serve, they can't understand a thing I say. I smoke a blunt every day to take the pain away. I need to see a doctor fast and I hate to say nobody ain't give me shit I had to make away. For my niggas, my crew, I don't know about you and the shit I went through. I refuse to go through. Hey, to get what? And it ain't worth having. Let's go, y'all.
Trying to convince me that I'm running on empty. Trying to convince themselves that their record with Jay was a fluke. That the record that I'm making is a mistake and I can't take this. Let me tell you where I'm at with this. You bastards are gonna have to take back that shit. I'm not plastic and fake. When I make tracks I take facts and lay them out for the masses. You assholes are gonna see soon that I'm not playing. And start asking me the names that I'm not saying. But I'm trying to be bigger than the bickering, bigger than the petty name calling, under the breath talking, rumors and labels and categorization. I'm like a struggling doctor, no patience. But you can say what you want about me. Keep talking while I'm walking away.
You can say what you have to say, cause my mind's made up anyway. I'm taking the hard road, going about you. This is the last time that I'm gonna trust you. You can say what you have to say, cause my mind's made up anyway. All that bullshit you talk might work a lot, but it's not gonna work today.
You people are running off the mouth, trying to make me take myself off safety, trying to make my friends turn their backs on the team we built, building up some mistaken information, and I can't take this. Let me spell it out plain for you. Angry groups complain about the things we do. I'm not changing direction, I'm stepping my game up, maintaining my name same way that I came up. You're gonna see that I'm not playing and start asking me the names that I'm not saying. But I'm trying not to mention the names of people who wanna siphon attention. You like the hype, but pretending you're part of the picture won't pass. You're like a high school dropout